Hey guys, this is Charlotte Northgate, which you probably already know that already, but whatever. I've had a good thing happen to me today. We decided to get a kitten, and yeah, this black cat right here, this is my other cat. Her name is Sorsha. My kitten is running around this room like crazy. She's running under my desk and everything. There she is right there. Come here. She really likes to she doesn't want you to catch her. And it's funny. She chews on my cord sometimes, so I have to make sure she doesn't go under my desk. That's not working out very well. I tried to block it, but she's trying to get into my stuff too. She just bolted out of there quickly. Sorsha's just watching her like, what the heck? Why did you bring another cat? Hey, what's the matter, baby? Where is she? Oh, there you are. There you are. Yeah. Come here, you want to say hi? There she goes. She's so funny though. Hi. You want to come say hi? No? Hi. Hey, where you going? She's cute though. And she goes in the bathroom and hides under the mat and behind the toilet and behind the sandbox. Anywhere you could really think of. Especially in this room. She goes under my desk, which is right under there. And right in there in that darkness and under the desk. No, okay. Then she goes over here too and hides in there. Her name is CJ right now. I think we're gonna keep it at CJ because my initials are CJ. And yeah. Are you going behind the trash can? Little devil. Yeah, there you are. No. No, you're not going in there, silly. Yeah. Yeah, and then I think keeping her on my bed is the easiest place to keep her so she doesn't go under anywhere or anything. Sorsha, don't eat her food. Little sleepy little kitty cat. And Sorsha is gonna be the same as any cat would with a new cat, is hiss and stuff at first. And she's a calico, and her brother is actually in the room next door from me. So they're in the same room together. Well, not the same room, I mean the same house. Yeah. Yeah. Causing trouble? Hey. What are you doing under there? Huh? I think that's her little hideout right now. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a little update kind of thing with what's going on, I guess. So yeah, see you in another video, I guess. Bye.